Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger stocks. So Eid Mubarak to everyone. So tomorrow will be the market holiday, and I came with a major update on JSW Ispat special products. And in the yesterday's video, I told you that today the news will be announced about the this thing a Q4 result, and it's already announced. We are going to discuss about this thing, the Q4 result in detail. So kindly watch the video till end. Our result is a mind-blowing result than we expected. In our latest video, in the last video, I told you that it will be somewhere around 1,300 crore sales plus around 50 crore profit, but it exceeded than that. It is very unexpected result and it is very positive result now, and our target of 100 will be revised for sure, because our 100 target will be achieved in a single rally from coming days from tomorrow onwards, and surely the 125 to 130 will be the range in short time. So 130 will be the short term range, and 500 plus is our long term target. So we are going into the details now. So kindly watch the video till end and kindly subscribe to my channel. So we are I am recommending this stock from around 26 level, and currently we are at around 250% profit. And if you didn't subscribe, kindly subscribe to my channel. So we are going into the details. Before that, just let us see the pattern today, the trading pattern. You can see that there was lot of shuffle was happened today. So yesterday it was expected, and but they didn't get that much of share. The operator, they didn't get that much of share. That's the reason they done a heavy shuffle twice, and again they try to close in the upper circuit. And you can see the volume here. There was heavy volume was traded somewhere around 1.32 crore, and in that around 50 lakhs taken delivery, around 41.79 percentage in NSE, and it's closed somewhere around 65.80. If we go to the BSE website, you can see here around 32 lakhs shares are traded. In that you can see it is closed at around 64.80, and here also the same shuffle was happen. You can see here, and if you see around 50% taken the delivery in BSE also, there is huge volume and the rally is going to be continued from here. So our target of around 100 is already, I told you, we are going to revise that to 125 to 135. So this is our short term target. If somebody is holding this share, please hold it, don't sell it out. So let us discuss about the result now. So once again, I am telling you, kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. So you can see here the total sale. You can see here the total sale is 1,459.51 crore, while the last quarter it was 1,155. Our expectation was 1,300, so it reached up to 1,500 range. So around 150 crore extra than our expectation. And you can see here the total net profit. You can see here the net profit, it reached up to 29.8981 crore last quarter, and this quarter it reached to 80.91. So our expectation was 50 crore, so around 30 crore additional came than our this thing. So it is an excellent result, and surely this will make some sense in the coming days. So kindly add in your portfolio if you are getting any this thing. You can see the earning per share last quarter it was around 0.63. This quarter it becomes 1.72. So it is an excellent result as of now. And net profit, you can see here around 80.91. So it's a huge profit already, and this is going to be added to the reserve now. So if you didn't buy this share, if you are not holding this share, please, if you are getting any chance, kindly buy it, and surely our long term target will be around 500 plus for this share. So surely this company will fit into the mid cap, as I told you in many time. So kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and it's a excellent result as of now. Thank you. Bye.